Hola amigos! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the wireless microphones from Rode, and also we're going to compare these with the built-in microphones we have on our phones, and also the microphones that we have on the Beats wired headphones and the AirPods Max, just to see which one is best when we're doing our videos. So tara, let's unbox this. Ayan, naka-gloves na naman ako guys kasi ang pangit ng kamay ko. But we're going to unbox this, and saan ba yung open? This one. Ah. Then meron din ata dito sa taas. So just open this. And how do we open this? Ito. So dito lang ata. Yay! Sobrang nakaka-excite. Para siyang headphones or parang buds. Takot ako masira yung papel, pero I think we really have to, kailangan ata talaga siya sirain. Ayun nga. I think so. Masisira talaga siya. Sorry sa mga gusto ng perfect unboxing. Sorry. Tapos, ayan, ang cute lang ng Q. And then, may Rode sa ilalim. Yeah, sirain na lang talaga natin. Sorry sa mga, gusto ng ASMR. Wow, ganda. Para siyang lalagyan ng buds. Wow, ang ganda. So, there are two microphones, and I think ito yung receiver. And sobrang klase talaga ng Rode tingnan. Also, ayun, meron siyang ilaw sa baba. And we have the standard yung mga stamps for tech. So that's yung laman. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, we have the charger. And also, parang meron siyang yung para sa sa mic. Wow, ang cute! So, we have two of these, I think. Very cute. Yeah, two. Kasi two yung headphones. Ay, yung microphones. And then we also have these. Yung charger. And the quick start with guide, and then also regulatory safety. What else? And I think this is just the parang ano ba to, yung silica gel lang. Pero ayun, that's it. Thank you so much. Ang ganda. So now we're gonna be testing the mic, and with the help of Bing, we're gonna see which one. Let's ask, what is, or let's ask, give me a monologue when testing a the mic. Tingnan natin if he has something to say. So, ayan. So, he has something to say. First, we're gonna try testing or using yung mic on our Beats wired headphones. I'm just gonna connect it to the phone. Ayan. So, testing. So, let's start. And so, dear listener, we stand upon the precipice of sound where silence meets voice, where echoes fade into clarity. The microphone, a conduit of thought, a vessel of storytelling, now awakens to the vibrations of the universe. Is it working? Does it carry my words to the furthest reaches of the room, the cosmos, the imagination? This humble device, this amplifier of ideas, awaits its moment, and I, your narrator, shall grant it purpose. One, two, three. Testing. Can you hear me? Let's try naman um with the Rode headphone microphones. Ayan, so this time I'm gonna ask Bing naman to give me another one, and it should be okay. I'm ready. So we're gonna be testing the Rode microphone this time. The room is quiet, yet it hums with possibility. Shadows stretch long across the walls, whispering secrets only they understand. Here, in this moment, time pauses, not in fear, but in curiosity. The words that will follow hold weight, shape, power, and as my voice rises, so too does the truth that has long been waiting to be spoken. Does the air listen? Does the silence hear? For now, only the microphone knows, and it waits for me to begin. So let's see. Let's see kung ano mas maganda. Hopefully ito. Ayun, so we've tested and the verdict is this is really the best when doing the videos for audio. Ayun, so done na, and the verdict is this is really the best one um trying to record with audio kasi as you can hear sobrang linaw right now ng boses ko compared to the first part of this video, which I'm using only the microphone, yung built-in microphone ng phone, and also when we also tried the Beats headphones. So this is really an awesome purchase. If you're wondering how much this is I think this is $200, but they have a sale in Podium. I'm not gonna share muna yung ano. I'll just share it in the description down below. And this is only $150 or 8,000 pesos na lang siya. 8,200 sa kung saan ko pinagbilhan. So you can message me if you want to know where I purchased this. This is two microphones and it's a wireless head set. Also there is a receiver kasama as we saw earlier sa unboxing. But thank you so much for watching. So if you did like this video or if you found it helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe. Ayan, inuubo pa. And I hope you have a great day. Bye!